Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are okay and happy. So today's video is all about my current skincare routine. I made a skincare video back in January if I am not wrong. It's either December or January. Maybe it's in January. Okay, so that time it was a winter and that was a winter skincare routine, and currently it's summer. So my skincare routine has changed because it's summer, and that's why I want to share it with you guys. And so if you're interested and you want to know what I'm doing currently in the summer, then please continue watching. So currently I am using Good Vibes brand. My face wash, face pack and the face gel are from Good Vibes, and Good Vibes are really a good brand guys. It really makes a nice product with affordable range. So let's start with the face wash as usual. Currently I am using their papaya face wash. It actually a best seller face wash, but I took some time to buy it because before Good Vibes I had tried one more papaya face wash from another brand, but papaya face wash are really good. It really clean your skin, but I am dry skin. I mean I come from a dry skin family, so after using papaya face wash my skin gets little bit dry. Okay, that's normal, that's completely normal. You can feel dry after using a face wash, but I don't like that dry feeling. Okay, I have dry skin, so I like my face wash to provide a softness even after using it. But sadly papaya face wash can't do it, but it's a very good face wash guys, and it really clean your skin. It remove all the dirt. It also tone up your skin and also help you to fade the blemishes, but it will make your skin little bit dry after using it. But don't worry, it will not make your skin that much dry. It's something which I don't like. I don't know if you guys like it or not, but otherwise you are going to love this face wash. Let's talk about the smell. The smell is absolutely amazing guys. I don't like fruits. Okay, so I don't like fruit smell, but the smell of this face wash is exactly like fruit. I mean it's better than fruit, but I totally love the smell. Okay, I don't like fruits, but I like the fruity smell of this papaya face wash. Now guess how much I really like the smell, and the color is really pretty. See, the color is yellow. See, just like the papaya, the color is exactly yellow, and the consistency is exactly like gel, and it has some bubbles into it. I don't know why it has some bubbles into it, but clearly love this face wash. Now let's talk about the face pack. So currently I am using their rose hydrating face mask, and I guess it's a 50-gram pack if I am not wrong. Let me check. No, the net weight is 60 gram. And anyway guys, the product details with the price tag will be linked in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And first of all, see the colors. Actually the colors of every Good Vibes product are really good. It feels like you are using something natural. I mean look at this color. It's a pretty pinkish color with a white tone into it, and the smell is exactly like rose. I mean I like the smell. I like the smell of this face wash more than this face pack. Anyway, but still it smells really nice. And do you know why I bought it? It's hydrating face mask. As I said before, I don't like my products to absorb the hydration from my skin. So when I ordered papaya face wash, I knew that it will make my skin a little bit dry after washing it, but it's exactly okay. I mean most of the face wash does so. That's why I ordered a rose face mask, because this is a hydrating face mask, so it can provide the hydration I need after using this face wash. let's see what it can do. Okay, so after using it, your skin will glow because it has rose, and you know rose help you to glow up your skin. So just like that, after using this face pack, it will give your skin a glow because it has rose into it, and it will also glow up your skin, and also it has antioxidant, mineral and vitamin that will provide you a healthy glow, and it will also instantly brighten up your skin. So exactly no complaint for this face mask. Now let's talk about the gel I am using currently. Okay, so the face mask is rose face mask, so I want to sync it with my face gel, so that's why I ordered a rose hip face gel. I mean, rose hip and rose are the same thing. I don't know about it, maybe it's a different thing, but still I want to sync it. Honestly guys, it exactly smells like the rose. I mean, this face mask don't exactly smell like the rose, but this face gel exactly smell like the rose. Rose is my favorite flower guys, and when I use it, when I smell the exact rose smell, oof, it's just blow my mind. Anyway, so this is a gel, and you know it's summertime, so we can't really use thick cream, so that's why I used a gel, and it's I guess 100 gram. Yes, it's 100 gram, and 100 gram will cost you 240 rupees. This face gel will keep your skin hydrated and will glow your skin and will tone up your skin and will also help it to brighten up. So you can go for it, exactly no complaint. So definitely check it out if you are searching for any hydrating gel, and if you are a rose lover like me, you are going to love it because it's because the smell is exactly like the rose. So now let's talk about last but absolutely not the least step of our skincare, and it is the sunscreen. Yes, no matter what you are using, what you are doing with your skin, you just can't forget sunscreen. Sun can damage your skin to another level, so you have to use sunscreen. Okay, so for sunscreen currently I am using Neutrogena. You already know about it. If you are really following me since a very long time, you know about it. I have made a separate video on this sunscreen, you can check it out. But before finish watching this video, so this is Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50 plus, and it has PA triple plus, which will protect you from UVA and UVB both. So I'm not gonna explain it anymore because I have made a separate video on this, so you have to check it out. Just go check it out. And I really love this sunscreen, but fun fact, my mom don't like this sunscreen. One more update is that when I made a video on my Neutrogena sunscreen, that time I was new with this sunscreen, and now I have one more update with this sunscreen. It's that it's little bit oily. Okay, it says that it has matte finish. Yes, it has, but it is little bit oily. I mean, all the sunscreen are little bit oily, but it's not that much oily. First, and the second thing is that it will give you a white cast. On my that video I said it don't give me white cast, but now it does. Okay, let me explain, don't be mad. It will give you white cast for almost 1 minute, and after that it will blend into your skin like you have put nothing. So you don't need to worry about it, but it will give you white cast for at least 1 minute when you are putting it. I think that's not a big deal, that's not a big issue, and you should not go out just after using the sunscreen. You have to wait for 20 minutes. So when you have to wait for 20 minutes, that 1 minute white cast is nothing. Okay, so guys, that was my skincare routine for summer. I am using the Good Vibes product, the face wash from Good Vibe, and the face mask from Good Vibe, and the face gel from Good Vibe, but the sunscreen is from Neutrogena. Okay, so I can say it one brand skincare routine. I guess I can't say it. I mean, I can say it also. Anyway, that's not our topic. So I guess this video will be helpful for you if you are searching for a new face wash, a new face mask, new gel or new sunscreen, or you want to change your skincare routine. This video might be helpful for you. And yes, if you really like that video, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below what other videos you want me to do, and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, link are in the description box below, so check that out. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care, bye bye and tada.